what the health minister informed BJP MPs today, and sources say COVID vaccines for children are now likely in a matter of days. Prime Minister Modi was told this morning at a meeting of BJP MPs in Parliament. The Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said at that meeting that the government would likely start vaccinating children next month. According to experts, this is going to be a giant step in breaking the chain of transmission and also reopening schools around the country amid warnings of a possible COVID third wave. Earlier this month, Dr. N.K. Arora, who heads the National Expert Group on Vaccines, had also told NDTV that vaccination for children would start by September with the Zydus vaccine for 12 to 18-year-olds. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and Zydus Cadila are also being tested for children. Meher joining us at this point. Meher, this could mean a very, very big step forward, particularly for perhaps the reopening of schools if children do indeed start getting vaccinated. But what details are we getting about what's likely to happen?
Yes, Ankita. So this is a very, very promising development in our vaccination drive. Children, so far, there have been worries that they are at risk. There is some evidence for that. But more than that, it is the fact that schools can now open. Children also, it's said that made people in their family more at risk for infection. So this could be a really important step in breaking the chain of transmission. Now, the fact that this is coming a month earlier than earlier projections of when children will be able to be vaccinated, that is also very promising. Now, this comes with another promising announcement by the Health Ministry. They've just said that they will be able to meet vaccine supply targets. There was some worries recently that supply targets were not being met, so that our mammoth vaccination drive won't have any fuel to go forward. But the government has now reiterated that they can meet their massive target of 51.6 crore doses supplied by the end of this month. So till date, 45.7 crore doses have been given by Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech, the maker of Covaxin. So that means that within 4 days, the government will be given 5.9 crore doses, which is 1.5 crore doses every single day, which is also a massive number, very promising. Especially because the aim to vaccinate 60% of our entire population by the end of the year is also looming. So far, the required vaccination rate for that was 94 lakh doses per day. Now, with this new supply announcement of over 1 crore doses a day, they will actually exceed their ideal vaccination rate. So this may be the first time this is happening, which is very promising. New data on vaccine supply. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much indeed for joining us with all of those details, Meher.